So today I thought we'd tackle something that we get a lot, the same question over and over again, is how to add negative keywords into your AdWords Express campaign. And there's a real simple answer and a way to do this, so I'm just going to get right into it. Okay, so you're logged into your AdWords Express account and you're looking to add negative keywords to weed out some stuff that you keep getting over and over again that's probably just wasting your money and not sending you leads. And you're looking to just try and figure out how to do this. Well, the simple answer is you can't. I'm sorry, there's just no way to do it. It's just one of the many reasons why we don't recommend anyone use AdWords Express. It's just not you can't really optimize it that well. But let me just walk you through what's going on here. So if you log into your AdWords Express, which you should go to adwords.google.com/express, and you should come to this page. Go click your ads here. It's going to pull up your Express account, and you can see we've made some ads here, some demo ads. Go into your dashboard, and you should see here's your homepage and all this stuff. Search phrases, manage all. You can see there is no way to add negative keywords. All you can do is just toggle off, just turn off keywords you don't want to target. That's really it. And it's just another reason why we don't recommend anybody run AdWords Express, is because it's not really customizable when it comes to optimization to get more for your buck. It's just a simple user interface to get people, I feel like, warm them up into using actual AdWords. So for the record, there is no way to add negative keywords into AdWords Express. All right, if you guys have any questions, drop them below the video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, give me a thumbs up below, and I'll catch you in the next video.